Yes, delegate of Nigeria.
The delegate of Federal Republic of Nigeria would like to raise a moderated caucus on the topic role of hygiene in antimicrobial resistance for a total time period of 20 minutes with individual speaking time being 60 seconds.
Okay, so you can write it in the chat box so that everyone can see it. Are there any other points or motions on the floor?
Hello. Hello, I am audible.
Yes, delegate, you are audible.
Kingdom of Thailand would like to raise a motion to move into a moderated caucus on topic national health policies and strategies to overcome antimicrobial resistance.
Thank you, delegate. So
Thank you.
basically, what happened is we are having a class of interest in the community session because of the technical disturbance of the internet connection of our chair. I guess we have already had two motions that has been raised in the community session, right, director?
Yes, one by delegate of Nigeria and another by Thailand.
So one by delegate of Nigeria and other by Thailand. So what was the motion that has been raised by Nigeria has already been mentioned in the chat section, whereas the motion that has been raised by Thailand is yet to be mentioned. We can take one more motion, and I expect the delegate of Philippines to deliberate. Delegate of Philippines.
The delegate of Philippines would like to raise an unmoderated caucus on a topic international collaboration need in AMR in tackling AMR for the total time frame of 10 minutes with individual time period of 60 seconds. Thank you.
So, delegate, in order to raise an unmoderated caucus, you don't have to mention the topic, and we don't even need the individual time frame. I hope you rephrase the motion again and deliver it to the committee session once more.
Okay, yes. Delegate of Philippines would like to raise an unmoderated caucus.
Motion for unmoderated caucus for total time period of 10 minutes, 20 minutes.
Hello.
So, delegate, do you want to conduct an unmoderated caucus for total 10 minutes?
Yeah, for total time frame of 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you, delegate. So, as the dice feel like there is a need of unmoderated caucus in the committee session, we'll first proceed towards voting towards the motion that has been raised by delegate of Delegate of Philippines, that is to have an unmoderated caucus for total time period of 10 minutes. Delegate voting for unmoderated caucus in the committee, please tick mark as yes. Delegate of Nigeria, please be quick. Delegate of Thailand, delegate of Russian Federation, please let us know the voting stance. Delegate of Indonesia, delegate of Russia, delegate of Philippines, don't you want to vote for the motion that you raised? Okay. So we have 11 voting for the motion and 3 against the motion. This motion clearly passes. So for now, we'll be having an unmoderated caucus for 10 minutes in which the delegates are free to discuss about what is going to happen next in the committee session. You may have the floor. This will end at sharp 5:40 p.m. Delegate of Philippines, you may take over. Delegate of Philippines, please don't maintain pin drop silence when you ask for an honorary caucus. So any of you can take the lead. You may discuss about working paper. If you are in need of a format, then you may consult me or any of the DICE member.
Delegate of Philippines, can you please once more say the topic name?
So this is an unmoderated caucus. You don't need to mention the delegate. You can simply communicate. If you feel like English language is the barrier, then we have nothing to do with it, but please communicate. So delegates, please speak.
Chair, like question.
Yes, delegate.
So, for working paper, like individually prepare गर्ने होइन नि होइन लाइक यु निड अ टिम
अब यस्तो हो वर्किङ पेपर तपाईँहरूलाई चाहिँ मैले हिजो भने अनुसार चाहिँ जसले मोसन रेज गर्यो उसले त्यो प्रिपेयर गर्दै गएको भए अहिले सजिलो भइसक्थ्यो तर आई डोन्ट थिङ्क यु पिपल हेभ डन नेपाल डेलिगेट अफ नेपाल तपाईँले फुड सेफ्टीको वर्किङ पेपर बनाउनु भएको छ त
नो
नो डेलिगेट अफ स्विडेन इकोनोमिक इम्प्लिकेसन अफ एएमआरको वर्किङ पेपर बनाउनु भएको छ
अलिअलि नोट त गरेको थिएँ पोइन्ट्सहरू तर त्यस्तो राम्ररी चाहिँ छैन
ओके सो अब अहिले अनमोड चलिरहेको छ 10 मिनटमा बी क्विक र यो जुन 3टादेखि 4टावटा मोसन्स हामीले डिस्कस गर्यो 3टा डिस्कस गर्यो त्यसमा चाहिँ तपाईँहरूले कसले के डिस्कस गर्यो भनेर प्रिपेयर गर्नुहोस् सो तपाईँहरूलाई फर्मेट चाहिएको हो भने आई क्यान स्क्रिन सेयर एन्ड सो इट टु यु पिपल आर यु इन निड अफ फर्मेट
यस
Yes, Chair.
Okay, delegate. Okay. So till the time I come with a working paper format, you may continue the discussion. So I don't expect pin drop silence, delegate. Please communicate. If you are in confusion, you may contact director, moderator, any one of us. Plus, please don't maintain silence.
Hi everyone. So basically, we need to come up with a solution to tackle this problem, and that could be only done by discussion. So, if anybody can take over.
Yes, you can start. We can help.
Okay, if we talk about food safety, like धेरै agriculture countries-हरुमा चाहिँ 70% पनि antibiotics धेरै युज भइरहेछ human-को comparison-मा. So त्यसको लागि सबै गर्नलाई resolution बनाउनु पर्यो. And over-the-counter sales is like prevalent in every country in the world. If like यसलाई नै stop गर्न सक्यो भने एकदम reduce हुन्छ resistance.
युकेमा चाहिँ लाइक त्यही ओभर द काउन्टर ड्रगको सेल्स कम गर्नलाई टार्गेट टुल किट भन्ने बनाएको रहेछ त्यसको फुल फर्म चाहिँ ट्रिट एन्टिबायोटिक्स रेस्पोन्सिबली गाइडेन्स एजुकेसन एन्ड टुल्स। यो चाहिँ प्राइमेरी केयर हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्सहरूलाई अनि पेसेन्टहरूको लागि लिफलेट अनि त्यो वेटिङ रुममा राखेर लाइक अवेर गराउने रहेछ। इट इज अ नाइस।
तर युकेमा पनि अनलाइन सेल्स धेरै हुने भएर अझै पनि छ होला।
Like 1 in 3 people are on the course of antibiotics.
सो हामीले वर्किङ पेपर चाहिँ एक्ज्याक्टली बनाएको रहेनछौँ होइन। अनि अहिलेसम्म 3टा मोडरेटेड ककस भएको छ। अनि त्यसको चाहिँ अब ब्रिफली हामी डिस्कस गरौँ न के छ। अहिलेसम्म 3टा, एउटा चाहिँ
Like वर्किङ पेपर बनाउन त्यो स्पोन्सर्स एन्ड सिग्नेटरिजहरू चाहिन्छ। लाइक एलाइजहरूसित टिम फर्म गरेर बनाउने होइन।
Delegate, is my screen visible?
Yes.
So this is the sample of an international model United Nations. Your working paper does not need to be as complicated as this is. Since a lot of you are beginners, we don't expect that much of courtesy from you people, but at least meet the basic things. See, this does not follow any specific format. The only thing that has been mentioned is the signatories, the one who have been following this working paper. There has been no sponsor. That means individual अथवा 3-4 मान्छेले मात्र लेखेको होइन यो। यसमा जसले बोल्यो त्यसको मान्छेहरूको नाम, त्यो कन्ट्रीहरूको नाम लेखेर चाहिँ उनीहरूको के स्टेटमेन्ट छ भनेर मेन्सन गरिएको छ। र यो मेन्सन गरिएकोलाई नै पछि हामीले रेजुलेसनमा इन्क्लुड गरेको थियौँ। EIMU 2019 मा चाहिँ हामीले यसरी कसले के भन्यो भनेर इन्डिभिजुअली लेख्नु भन्दा पनि यो कन्ट्रीजहरूले चाहिँ यो मोसनमा बोलेको थियो भनेर यो प्रिपेयर गर्यो। त्यसपछि यो कुराहरू भनेको थियो भनेर सर्टली मेन्सन गर्यौँ, किनभने सबै डिटेलमा रिपोर्ट बनाउन जस्तो गर्नु पर्दैन। सिम्पली दिस आर द इम्पोर्टेन्ट थिङ्स भनेर टक्क मेन्सन गरेर यसरी एउटा स्टेटमेन्ट बनाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ पछि रेजुलेसनमा डिरेक्टली एड गर्न पनि सकिन्छ। सो यसरी चाहिँ वर्किङ पेपर बन्छ। सिम्पली नोट डाउन गरेको हो, नथिङ कम्प्लिकेटेड।
हामीले त्यो भन्नाले ड्राइभमा एउटा फोल्डर बनाएर अनि लिङ्क सेयर गरेर एडिट गर्दै बनाउँदा नि भयो नि।
यस, डेफिनेटली। अब भर्चुअल नभएर रियल एमियन भएको भए, रियल भन्दा नि फिजिकल एमियन भएको भए चाहिँ तपाईँहरू एउटा ठाउँमा जम्मा भएर गर्न मिल्थ्यो। अब यो भर्चुअल भयो। सो अब तपाईँहरूलाई चाहिन्छ नै भने चाहिँ ओसीलाई रिक्वेस्ट गरेर यसपछि पनि मिटिङ एड नगरिदिकन तपाईँहरूले डिस्कसन गर्न पनि पाउनुहुन्छ। कुनै जुम लिङ्कबाट अथवा ह्याङआउटबाट डिस्कसन गरे पनि भयो। अर एल्स गुगल डकमा बनाएर रिटन फर्मेटमा डिस्कसन गरेर यसरी फर्मुलाइज गरे पनि भयो।
I would like to add one more thing, like all the delegates after this session can communicate via Viber group and make a Google Doc and edit and jot down their ideas or solutions which they propose to certain moderated caucus or another topic. So that would be better, I think, preparation of Google Doc and editing by all the delegates.
So okay, so तपाईहरुले Google Doc बनाएर एडिट गरेर त्यसरी नै सर्कुलेट गरे पनि भयो। तर यसरी I see no communication between you people है अहिलेसम्ममा चाहिँ। अब नेपालले मोसन प्रपोज गर्यो, उलाई नै उसको मोसनमा कसले बोल्यो थाहा छैन। This is not how a committee works. अरु कुनै queries?
Yeah, after this session, one of you can save the screen who can take the lead in making working paper and everyone can communicate and jot down ideas.
Exactly. So तपाईहरुले अब working paper clear भयो भए, shall I stop sharing my screen?
Oh, Chair, I have a question. Like यो सबै कन्ट्रीजहरु त इन्क्लुडेड थिएन हैन त्यसमा, अनि हामीले कसरी
जो बोलेको त्यो मात्र इन्क्लुडेड थियो। अब यहाँ डेलिगेट अफ अल्बानिया, डेलिगेट अफ जापानले के बोलेकै छैन, उसको नाम के लेख्ने त?
एभ्री मोडरेटेड ककसको टपिक चाहिँ डिफरेन्ट बनाउने छ चाहिँ, लाइक जसले
सो अब अहिले चाहिँ त्यो पोसिबल हुँदैन जस्तो लाग्यो मलाई, किनभने आज 3-4 डिस्कसन भइसक्यो। 3-4 पेपर बनाएर भ्याइदैन। भोलिदेखि चाहिँ तपाईहरुले जसले मोसन उठाउनु भयो त्यसले बनाउन थाले पनि हुन्छ अथवा उसको ग्रुपले बनाउन थाले पनि हुन्छ। आजको लागि चाहिँ बाइ टुनाइट सबैजना जम्मा भएर एकैचोटी यो मोसनमा चाहिँ यो कुरा इन्क्लुड भएको छ है भनेर मेन्सन गरिदिनुस् न, सो दैट पर्सिसम्म बनाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ नबिर्सियोस् कुनै इम्पोर्टेन्ट पोइन्ट्स। जस्तै अब तपाईहरुले लेख्दाखेरि चाहिँ के लेख्नु भने टपिकमा इकोनोमिक इम्प्लिकेसन अफ एएमआर लेख्नुभयो भने चाहिँ त्यो टपिकमा के इम्पोर्टेन्ट कुरा भनेको थियो त सबै लेख्नु पर्दैन लाइक स्विडेनले कुनै स्टेटमेन्ट बनेको छ भने त्यो स्टेटमेन्ट मेन्सन गरिदिनुस् त्यसपछि फलोड बाई फुड सेफ्टीको कुरामा फिलिपिन्सले एउटा एक्टको कुरा गरेको थियो त्यो एक्ट लिबरलाइजेसन गर्ने कुरा गरेको थियो त्यो एउटा इम्पोर्टेन्ट स्टेटमेन्ट भयो त्यो मेन्सन गरिदिनुस् त्यो समरीमा चाहिँ सबैको प्रेजेन्समा चाहिँ मैले भनेको कुरा चाहिँ मेन्सन गरे भने पछि सजिलो हुन्छ जस्तो लाग्नेले त्यो गुगल डकमा एड गर्दै जाँदा पनि द्याट विल बी भेरी कन्भिनियन्ट वाइल फर्मिङ अ रेजोल्युसन इज द्याट क्लियर सो अब एक दुईजनाले लिड लिनु पर्यो है यसमा चाहिँ अब हामी ओसी डाइजले यस्तो प्लेटफर्म दिँदैनौँ वान अफ यु टेक द लिड मेक अ गुगल डक स्टार्ट राइटिङ यसरी नै रेजोल्युसनमा स्पोन्सर्स बन्ने हो तपाईहरु कसैलाई विड गरेर हुँदैन यसमा चाहिँ आफै लिड लिनुपर्छ
Google Doc form गरिदिन्छ है त लाइक फर 3 moderated caucuses.
सो 3 in 1 गर्दा पनि हुन्छ अब आज चाहिँ इन्डिभिजुअली गरेर राख्नु परेन भोलिदेखि चाहिँ इफ पोसिबल त्यो कम्युनिकेसन हुँदा हुँदै जट डाउन गर्न थाले पनि हुन्छ अब हाम्रो अनमोडको टाइम त सकिसक्यो अरु कुनै क्वेरीज अनमोडमा के चाहिँ गर्ने जस्तो लागेको छ भने क्वेशन सोध्नुस् किनभने आज चाहिँ इट्स अल अबाउट फैसिलिटेसन प्रोग्राम
I have a question.
यस डेलिगेट
अघि नै मेरो नेटवर्क अनस्टेबल भएको थियो के भयो अनमोडरेटेड ककसको अलिकति भनिदिनुस् न
ओके सो अब मैले अनमोडमा चाहिँ मैले के भने चाहिँ वर्किङ पेपरको बारेमा सोधे हिजो मैले तपाईहरुलाई वर्किङ पेपरको फर्मेट हुँदैन भनेर भनेको थिए तर पनि लट अफ यु स्टार्टेड द वर्किङ पेपर जट डाउन गर्नु भएको छ रे डेलिगेट अफ स्विडेनले अब त्यो जट डाउन गरेको पोइन्टहरुलाई चाहिँ युनाइटेड किङडमको डेलिगेटले एउटा गुगल डक बनाएर शी विल फेसिलिटेट यु पिपल विथ अ गुगल डक त्यसमा चाहिँ तपाईहरुले आज डिस्कस भएको मोशन्सहरुको चाहिँ इम्पोर्टेन्ट पोइन्ट जट डाउन गरेर वर्किङ पेपर बनाउनुस् सो दैट पछि रेजोल्युसन बनाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ इम्पोर्टेन्ट स्टेटमेन्ट चाहिँ मिस आउट नहोस् र मैले एउटा वर्किङ पेपर डिस्प्ले पनि गरेको थिए बोल्दै नबोलेको मान्छेलाई इन्क्लुड गर्नु पर्दैन तर बोलेको मान्छेको कुरा इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ भने चाहिँ त्यसलाई चाहिँ इग्नोर गर्नु भएन दैट इज अल व्हाट आई सेड एनी अदर क्वेशन्स अब आफै कम्युनिकेट गर्नुस् ल I feel like अनमोडलाई चाहिँ अलिकति एक्सटेन्ड गर्नुपर्छ जस्तो लाग्यो मलाई सो 540 को सट्टा 550 मा एन्ड गरौँ इफ इट्स फाइन विथ द डाइरेक्टर एन्ड द मोडरेटर
यस्तो भयो नि त अनि फर्स्ट सर्ट अनि ठ्याक्कै बिर्स्यो क्या अनि त्यही भएर थाहा नभएर नोटै गरिएन
हो त्यही त बिर्सनु भएन कि किनभने आफैले रेज गरेको छ अनि आफैलाई चाहिँ कसले चाहिँ प्रब्लमलाई सल्युसन सजेस्ट गरे थाहा भएन भने त व्हाट क्यान वी एक्सपेक्ट इन अपकमिङ सेसन्स सो अब आफूमा कम्युनिकेट गर्नुहोस् र ग्रुप च्याटमा इफ यु फिल लाइक भोलि म यो मोसन उठाउँदैछु भने चाहिँ मोसन लेखिदिनुहोस् कि सो द्याट भोट गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ डिसएग्रिमेन्ट भन्दा पनि एग्रिमेन्ट धेरै आओस्
मैले एम्टी लाइक गुगल डकको फाइल राखेर लिंक पठाइदिएको छु
च्याटमा लिंक आइसकेको छ सो प्लिज गो थ्रु द लिंक
यो लिंक चाहिँ भाइबरमा पनि शेयर गर्दाखेरि राम्रो हुन्छ होला नि है
डेफिनेटली भेरी गुड पोइन्ट So अब चाहिँ shall we move into the formal committee session and end आजको मिटिङ किनभने we just have 15 minutes remaining केही क्वेशन छ भने चाहिँ मिटिङ एन्ड गरेर चाहिँ क्वेशन एड्रेस गर्ने हो कि अहिले सबै क्वेशन एड्रेस गरेर चाहिँ सकाउने हो त मैले यहाँ मोबाइल भाइब्रेसन चाहिँ सुनिरहेको छु बट आई डोन्ट हियर एनी अफ यु स्पिकिङ के हो यस्तो किन यस्तो अकवर्ड साइलेन्स गएको त यसले गिट अफ यु के अनमोड हो तपाईले ह्यान्ड रेज गर्नु पर्दैन यस्तो चाहिँ बोल्दा हुन्छ
point of entertainment raise गर्न लाग्यो.
Okay, that's extremely appreciable. अब तपाईहरुलाई entertainment चाहियो भने we'll do that. So अब चाहिँ onboard end गरेर formal session मा enter गरौँ. त्यसपछि I will be asking for motion. Motion मा तपाईहरुले entertainment propose गर्नुभयो र vote आयो भने we can have 10 minutes entertainment session. Shall we, director?
Yes, sure, co-chair. We have 4 minutes left to end the on-mode session. Shall we just end within 4 minutes or just enter to the formal session?
I think it's better if we enter to the formal session now.
Okay,
So the motion is now in order. Delegates, we hope you had a very productive time in this unmoderated caucus. So I want a summary of what happened in this unmoderated caucus from one of the delegates. Anyone volunteering to summarize me what happened during the unmod session?
Okay, I will like to summarize today's unmoderated caucus, Chair.
Unmoderated caucus.
Unmoderated caucus, Chair. Today, basically, we learned quite more about the working papers, हैन? अनि सबै जसले motion create raise गर्नुहुन्छ उहाँहरुले.
Delegate, please speak in English. We are in the formal session now. Don't use personal pronoun.
Okay, sorry, Chair. Okay. I would like to proceed now. Today we discussed on the process of writing the working paper in the unmoderated caucus, along with the particular particular delegate raising the motion should have prepared their working paper separately. We understood the fact. Moreover, not only that, we got a bit more knowledge on the going on situations and the agendas that we set today in different countries, and we are proceeding from tomorrow onwards to completely have a detailed working papers. That is
Thank
all
you,
I want
Delegate.
to say.
Okay, so delegate, it is not the fact that the person has to make a working paper. That may be a group of people as well, but that has to be prepared. Whether that might be an individual or a team. That might be a team of Asian countries, that might be a team of South Asian countries, that might be a team of European countries. We have nothing to do with it, but that has to be prepared. So for now, delegates, do we have any motions on the floor? Delegates, do we have any motion on the floor? Please raise your hand. Delegates, are there any motions on the floor? Yes, delegate of United Kingdom.
The delegate of United Kingdom would like to raise a point of entertainment.
Motion of entertainment, delegate.
Sorry, motion of entertainment.
For the total time period of 10 minutes?
Yeah, 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you, delegate. Are there any other motions on the floor? Yes, delegate of South Africa, followed by delegate of Russian Federation.
Point of parliamentary inquiry.
Yes, delegate.
Can all the delegates prepare a single working paper?
Yes, delegate, definitely. So if you feel like one working paper could sum up the all mentioned stuffs in the communication, definitely you can work for a single working paper. Delegate of Russian Federation.
Delegate of Russian Federation would like to second the motion raised by United Kingdom.
Thank you, delegate. So for now, we will be voting for the motion that has been raised by delegate of United Kingdom to have a motion of entertainment for 10 minutes. So delegate voting for the motion, please tick mark as yes. And if you vote against the motion, please tick mark as no. Yes, delegate of Russian Federation. So
It
delegate
was by
voting for,
mistake.
okay, thank you, delegate. Delegate voting for motion of entertainment, please take mark as yes. Voting
Delegate of Thailand, delegate of Russian Federation, please make your stand on this motion.
Delegates of Korea and Nigeria.
With 12 yes and 0 no, this motion clearly passes. Now, delegate of UK, you have raised the motion. So, would you like to speak at the beginning or entertain at the beginning or at the last?
So, in addition to the statement that has been made by director, by default, the delegate of United Speaker will be the first one. So, delegate, you may have the floor for.
The delegate of United Kingdom was unaware of the fact.
So, since now you are known about this, we expect you to sing a very beautiful song in order to refresh all the committee members. Why not to expect the director to sing a song to the committee? After all, entertainment has to be initiated from the dais member. So maybe we have
Yes,
director singing a song.
exactly. The point of entertainment is supposed to be entertained by the dais members.
So
The
director
director
could
believes
do us
that
a favor by singing a
point of
song.
entertainment was raised by delegate of UK. So delegate of UK has to entertain first in the committee, then only other members will entertain. So delegate of UK, over to
Okay,
you.
UK, please take an initiative so that our director could sing a beautiful song to all of us. Please. Please don't waste the time, delegate. Delegate of UK, let's have some virtual clapping for the delegate.
What song would the committee like me to sing?
So we even allow
Delegate of
Nepali song
UK
entertainment
is
session.
very bad at singing.
Never mind, delegate, we'll not see your face again. So please, don't hesitate.
पूजा
Delegate of United Kingdom, please don't feel shy or awkward. Please sing a song. We all are waiting to listen to your soothing voice. See, there have been all people clapping for you, and there has been awkward silence at the same time.
Are there any recommendations for the song?
It's up to you. You can sing your favorite one, delegate. So there has been a very Definitely, we can start, choose a song and start singing. Audience, we have to suspend the meeting because we are at the end of the session. Any one of you take a sleep? So, okay, Delegate of United Kingdom, please start singing any one of the songs so that all of us can join.
Um, okay, so this is a Nepalese favorite song, yeah, evergreen song. Um, I'd like other delegates to join me. रेशम फिरी उडेर चौकीमा भन्छन् रेशम फिरी
एक नाले बन्दुक दुई नाले
मैले मायालाई डाकेको
रेशम फेरि उडेर जाउँ कि डाँडैमा भन्छन् रेशम फेरि
वाउ सक्यो
Delegates? This has been very awkward silence, Delegate.
Yes, coach. Yes, co-chair.
Can we ask other delegates to perform something?
It's already 6 p.m.
So this awkward silence was really demotivating. That is why we have to move towards adjourning the meeting for the session today. So Director, could you please ask for the motion and adjourn the meeting?
Do I need to ask like the director would like to raise the motion to adjourn the meeting?
No, Delegate. So Director, what you have to do is you have to ask, are there any motions on the floor?
Yes, sir, co-chair. So delegates,
Yeah.
are there any motion on the floor? Yes, delegate of United Kingdom.
The delegate of United Kingdom would like to raise the motion to adjourn the session for today.
Thank you, delegate of United Kingdom. Cecil Rizal. Okay.
Delegate of Nigeria.
Yeah. Delegate of Nigeria, do you have any motion? Delegates, are there any motions on the floor? Yes, Delegate of Republic of Fiji.
Delegate of Republic of Fiji would like to raise a motion if this MUN could be started from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. If
Thank you, Delegate of Fiji. Delegates, are there any other motions on the floor? Delegate of South Africa.
Delegate of South Africa would like to succumb with the motion of United Kingdom.
Thank you, Delegate of South Africa. So now let's go to the motion raised by Delegate of Fiji at first. If we could continue the tomorrow session by 10 a.m. So the delegates who are in the favor of the motion, just tick yes button, and who are not in favor of the motion, tick the no button. Delegate of Russian Federation. Okay. We have 8 yes and 5 no, so the motion clearly passes. So, co-chair, we will have session tomorrow at 10 a.m. Okay, delegates, are there any other motions on the floor? Delegates, are there any other motion on the floor? You are supposed to raise the motion to adjourn the meeting now. Okay, Delegate of Russian Federation.
Delegate of Russian Federation would like to know if it is feasible to end today's session by now.
Thank you, Delegate of Russian Federation. Delegate of Russian Federation has proposed to adjourn the meeting. Yes, Delegate of Sweden.
Can we get the recording of today's session so we can actually work on the working papers?
Yes, definitely, Delegate of Sweden, you will get the recording tonight.
Yeah,
So,
and then I think we can actually work on the moderated caucus working paper, and then it would become quite easier for tomorrow.
is your Delegate of Sweden. Are there any other motions on the floor? Seeing no other motion, so delegates who are in the favor of the motion raised by Russian Federation, please tick yes, and who are against the motion, please tick no. Delegate of United States of America. Okay, we have 11 yes and 0 no, so the motion of the delegate of Russian Federation clearly passes. So the organizing team wishes you all the best for tomorrow. We will meet at 10 a.m. sharp, and delegates can join with the same link which is provided to you. So the meeting is adjourned for today. Thank you, everyone.